Let's proceed, children, with the next couple of theorems. You can say properties. Now here I'm not going to make you understand the entire this theorem and property. What I'm going to make you understand is only the application. Only the application, the thing which we need to apply in the proof part while doing sums. The first one, by the property of angle bisector theorem, and the second is by the property of intercept made by three parallel lines. We go one by one. So what is given to me over here? I have just written down given. As I stated that I'm not going to prove it, right? You can find proofs in your textbooks. Main thing is what is application. You need to go for an application first. So what is given to us? In triangle ABC, AD is an angle bisector. So the first question arises, sir, when will I apply this particular theorem or property? I'll apply this only and only when I have a triangle and a bisector of an angle given to me. Only and only when I have a triangle and a bisector of angle given to me. Any angle. Not necessarily every time it has to be a vertical angle. It can be any angle. So the condition required is a triangle and one of the angle bisector. The moment I get these two, I can immediately apply angle bisector theorem. Now what is this angle bisector theorem saying and what is the application? It says on applying angle bisector theorem, I'll say it is AB by AC. We'll write down first in triangle ABC, AD is an angle bisector of angle A. Therefore, by property of angle bisector theorem, AB by AC is equal to BD by DC. As simple as that. That's what the outcome is to prove is. Application is. Language is the same. Outcome to prove application. In triangle ABC, AD is an angle bisector given to us. What is the outcome? Application. AB by AC is BD by DC. One more. Let me give you one more. What is that one more trying to say? Say it is given to me PQR. And this time QS is an angle bisector. QS is an angle bisector. What is the outcome? Outcome is QP by QR is equals to PS by SR. Now you must be wondering, sir, can't I say QR by QP, SR by PS? Absolutely correct. It's your choice where you want to start off with. Whatever is the second option which I stated is nothing but invertendo of this one. Invertendo of this one is what the second one is, which I stated QR by QP is SR by SP. Meaning is the same. Choice is yours, children. Whether you say here also AB by AC or you say AC by AB. Keep one thing in mind. Whichever you say, so if I'm saying AB by AC, then it is going to be BD by DC. If I take AC first, then DC should come first. If I take AC above, then DC should come above. If I take here QR above, then SR should come above. Are you getting me? Right? That's what the application of angle bisector theorem is. How about property of intercept made by three parallel lines? So what is given to us, children? What is given to us? Let me write down here the given part. The given part is only this much. L parallel to M parallel to N. And what are P and Q? Acting as a transversal. Line L is parallel to line M, parallel to line N. P and Q are nothing but my transversal. What is the outcome? Application. Application is, I hope you are aware. If you are not aware, let me name this. What is AB and BC termed as? AB and BC are termed as intercepts. What is DE and EF termed as? They are also termed as intercepts made by transversal. What are they termed as? Intercept made by transversal. AB and BC are the intercept made by the transversal P. DE and EF are the intercept made by transversal Q. What is the outcome when we say by the property of intercept made by three parallel line? Outcome is AB by BC, AB by BC is equals to DE by EF. AB by BC is equals to DE by EF. Are you getting me? One more thing can be worked out. Actually, this is what the outcome is. Mind you, this is what the outcome is. If you go for an alternando, property, which is the property of ratio, you can also say AB by DE is equals to BC by EF. So students tend to have a mindset in this way. They don't understand the property. They just have a mindset. AB by BC means above 1 by below 1. Above 1 by below 1. But if I write down like this, AB by DE is BC by EF, they shall say no. Many of them will say no, this is not property of intercept made by three parallel lines. Why? Because they have mindset above by below, whereby which here it is above by above, below by below. We have just applied alternando. Mind you, learn the concepts very well. That's what we are here for. Refresh concepts is for that only, right? Reinvent learning. You need to know basics, hardcore basics. Right, children? One more thing. I just missed out when I was making you understand the angle bisector theorem. We have something called as converse also. Converse of angle bisector theorem. So, within this particular diagram, I shall make you understand. Converse of angle bisector theorem, ABT. No shortcuts, it's only from my side. So, let me say, within this question, say somehow we proved it. That QP by QR is equals to PS by SR. Somehow we proved it. QP by QR is PS by SR. Then immediately I can say by converse of angle bisector theorem. Therefore, by converse of angle bisector theorem, what can I say? QS is angle bisector of angle PQR. QS is angle, shortcut, QS is angle bisector of angle QPR. So not only we have main theorem, but we also have its converse. So what was main theorem? What was the given thing in main theorem? You have to have an angle bisector. If that's the case, this is the outcome. What is the converse? This will be given to you, or somehow you prove it. Then this is what you can write down as an application or to prove. Right, children? We have angle bisector, converse, and simultaneously we worked out here also by the property of intercept made by three parallel lines. You can keep in this way, AB by BC is D by EF. That's the actual way to answer. But even this cannot be denied by using alternando. Even this cannot be denied by using alternando, children. Right? So these are the two, though we have not made you understand. I have not made you understand the actual theorem. Both the theorems is what I have made you understand the application. Right?